swear to God, I've spent probably about $600 on fake plants. Not even kidding. Credit card goes to mine. I don't know how much is on it. Honestly, swear to God, we spent $10,000 in the last 2 days. R.I.P. Hey guys, it's my fam here. My room's the best, but what's new? I have some exciting news for you guys. I am moving again, which I know you guys might be like,
what the heck? You literally were moving in August.
But I found an apartment that I am so in love with, and I've been thinking about moving for a while now. This apartment is in not a very good area. I have to Uber everywhere because this apartment just is in a shit area. But I found an apartment that I really love. I just got approved today, and no, I'm not moving there alone. If you guys don't know, I live in Edmonton with my sister, and I applied to go live there on my own, but I can't because I'm not 18. She applied with me and we both got it, so we're gonna be living in a 2-bedroom. But I'm excited! I gotta start packing because I'm gonna try to move in this week.
Yeah, that definitely didn't happen.
I don't have any packing boxes, but that's okay. We're still gonna pack. I literally cannot wait to go to IKEA and just like the brick and shop for furniture. Hi guys, it's the next day because I'm a shitty YouTuber and just a shitty person in general, and I just procrastinate. Today's supposed to be moving day, but clearly I'm not moving because I suck. But let's just get started on packing my clothes and everything because I have a lot. We have one box full of like hoodies already. I was supposed to be someone's grad escort, but I was in LA. I have this dress that I've never worn out. I'm gonna try it on. Oh my god, look at it. I wish I got to wear this. Like the back, it's so pretty. Honestly surprised that it still fits me. Because when I tried it on like 3 months ago, it didn't fit. But look at it, it's so pretty. Okay, so I cleaned out my closet and I just like left the things that I didn't want. And now I have like all my bathing suits and stuff, and I have a crap load of bathing suits, so I'm gonna put them in this bag. Look how many bathing suits I have. This isn't even all of them because my sister has some of mine. This is all filled with matching bathing suit sets. It's currently 5:15 and my sister came home and we're gonna be headed to IKEA and just some furniture store.
In the shot?
Yeah. And some furniture stores just to like look at couches and bed frames and everything just to see what we like, because I want to order things online, but I don't want to order things online until we go into stores and see what I want yet. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're at IKEA! I like this place. I can spend hours in this place. I like their food. I like their meatballs. But we're in IKEA. Insert Instagram picture that I took right there. I want these for the living room because we could put like throw blankets in them. Why did IKEA think that was good decoration? Regular room. And then I don't know if I want like a modern apartment or like a bohemian modern apartment. I'll insert pictures of like a bohemian look, and then I'll insert pictures of like a modern look. See, I don't know what I want. This is difficult. This one would be cool just for like a bohemian vibe, you know, like these. This is so cute. This one's really cute too. These chairs are cool. See, like if I decided on like a modern looking one, I would get this table. I like these pots a lot. We just finished shopping at IKEA. Not actually buy anything, but we looked around at the different things that we wanted. We're just eating right now. I got meatballs and I'm hungry. If we go bohemian vibes, we're gonna get these placemats. This reminds me of jail. Like they would serve it to you, right? I love it. And like the material. I tend to like things that are ugly. Because like the uglier it is, the different it is, and then the cooler it is. So that means I'm cool. She calls me ugly. This is so cute. Guys, I keep finding things for bohemian vibes. I think we're going bohemian vibes and I might get this. ASMR. Okay, I'm thinking we can get like this round mirror for like my desk area because there's like an already separated desk area in the house. And then I want this huge one for my room, and then maybe we could get one for the living room. I just have to see where we put it. This is so cute. I'm gonna fill the house with fake plants because we can't take care of real ones. This couch is so nice. I would like it to be a little bit more orange, but it's still cute. So the couch comes in a different color, but I like this, how it's a little bit more orange than this one. This couch is like $700 cheaper, and it's white. I like this coffee table. This is what I was looking at in the beginning, but then I couldn't find it online in stock. Because this would look better than a couch, because our living room is really awkward and it does not have a wall to put a couch on. This in like a lighter color. I do not know how to couch. So I think we're gonna get that in white. I would really like this couch. It's like real leather, so when you scratch it like that, it marks out pretty bad. But it's so cute though. I do a lot of work. I hired these movers and they're kind of ass, not gonna lie.
Wait, we're getting paid?
I haven't vlogged in a hot minute, but it is 1:44 a.m. now, and I got home. We have a bunch of boxes here. I'm gonna start packing more tomorrow when I wake up. So I've just been buying a lot of stuff on my computer. I would show you guys, but I just want to wait till I get it all and then to show you guys. But the kind of vibe that I'm going for now, I guess, is you guys are gonna hear the word bohemian a lot, but it's gonna be a bohemian, modern, wicker wood kind of look. Our couch, it's not a couch, it's like a love seat circle thing. This is gonna be like a cream color, and then I have like a yellow rocking chair, and then I have a wicker chair, which I thought would be really cute. The bar stools are wood with black poles. Then there's gonna be like marble cutting boards, marble plates, and everything like that. And the utensils are gonna be black. There's gonna be lots of plants in the apartment. It took a really long time for me to decide what I wanted, but I finally decided today. Everything should be done by the second week of April. I go to New York the first week of April. I'm gonna go to bed though, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow when I pack everything.
The next day.
It is the next day, and it is like 4 o'clock. I haven't packed anything because I'm lazy and I don't want to pack anything. I'm supposed to be able to move my stuff in today, but that is not happening because I'm lazy. I am gonna start off by packing up my shoes today. I have them all here and a couple on these shelves. I'm using my shoe shelf right now as a tripod. That's why they're on the ground. Nice. I ended up like laying in bed for like 2 hours, but my brother just got back from Vietnam and he has a truck, so I think we're gonna go to IKEA and pick up all the stuff that I looked at yesterday. Just yesterday we had a car and we thought that we'd order it, but it would come on like April 5th if we ordered it. That's way too long because that would take 2 weeks and I don't want to wait 2 weeks. So we're gonna go there and pick up stuff, but I'm just gonna finish picking up the shoes.
Nail key, house key.
Right, we're back at IKEA. I need one of these for baking videos. I've never had placemats in my life, maybe when I was like 5 years old and you could like draw on them. This is gonna be bouginess. We're adulting, everyone. I think this has some bohemian vibes to it. This huge thing because I have a Freddie Mercury poster coming in from Urban Outfitters, so I'm gonna get this for it. So this mirror is gonna be for my room, and then this one is gonna be for our hallway, like the end of our hallway. This one is gonna be for my desk. I swear to God, I've spent probably about $600 on fake mats. I'm not even joking. Oh, that's a real pet. Oh my God, ew. I just stuck my fingers and it felt real. Oh, so cute. We need like 8 of these. Look at how full our cart is. And that's not even any of like the furniture.
Wow, do you live?
When it is literally 10 degrees outside in Canada. Tank top season. Wait, I passed it. Credit card got declined. I don't know how much is on it. Holy. That literally took forever. We were in that IKEA for I'd say like what, 3 hours? Yeah. And we were in the checkout place for at least, it was an hour, because what happened was my card declined like 5 times. Because yesterday, I swear to God, yesterday I've spent at least $dollars on like plane tickets, Airbnbs, hotels, bunch of furniture and everything. So credit card company was super sus that I was spending a lot of money. They just like locked up my card and my sister's still on hold with them. So we had to do an e-transfer of like $1,700, and those big e-transfers take a long time. But right now we're gonna be driving to the apartment, unloading some things in the back, taking some measurements and everything, and then we'll come back to IKEA tomorrow, which will probably be in the next vlog. It is like 2 a.m. now, I think. I'm still up, so I'm gonna pack up my electronics maybe. Please tell me, how satisfying is this? It literally fits perfectly in there. Now I'm gonna put the hoodies and jackets in the box that I don't want anymore, like the clothes that I want to sell. So I think I'm done for the night. It's about 4:30 a.m. now, and I'm gonna catch some sleep. This is my room. Most of the stuff in here is kind of more trash, I guess. I don't know how this is what my living room is looking like right now. I still need to do my bathroom, which I can do tomorrow.
The next day.
It would match cute theme. When you get 2 of these, holy shit, no, these are 35 bucks. What the heck? Who has money for that? I can get one of these for like that one chair. This is adorable. Maybe I want this. This looks like something. What are they called? Ashes, ashes, they all fall down. This looks like an herb. What do you put in this? Soap. Soap? Soap? How do you do dishes? Soap? Yeah, I want this one. So I'd make it for 8 hours instead. It's fun. It's 50 bucks. Nope.
If we're buying them for $30, you have to use them when you come over.
Of course.
Wait, what the heck?
Oh, that's sick as fuck.
My God. I think we need this just for display. It's $27, but you could probably roll out your muscles with it since we don't vape. Is that what you're gonna do? Oh, this feels so good. No! I'm buying this $27 roll. And now we have 2. Oh God! Why was she being so dramatic? Like, replay that clip, watch it, and I didn't even touch her. Oh God! Oh God! Oh god! Why are you trying to help me? I got it.
She got it. No, you didn't.
Okay, maybe I want 2 of these. For me and myself. I found a plunger. This is $200.
What?
I want it though. I need a picture for my spam account.
Oh my god, that's too big.
I really love listening to music and everything. We're gonna buy one of these Google Homes, and then this will also connect to my Philips lights and everything because I'm gonna get them like all over the house. Be like, hey Google, turn the lights to like purple, and then the lights will turn purple, and it'll be so cool. Here we are at the barn, going shopping again. When we went to Struck Tube the other day, we found something like this, but it was a little bit smaller. But like we weren't like in love with it. This one I saw online. It was out of stock where I wanted it. We found it here, but I'm gonna get it in white leather. But it's gonna take 8 weeks to come, so I guess we're just gonna have to sit on the floor. But that's fine. We also got this platter for my clear coffee table. I can put like books and like candles on it because this is $170. We also got this lamp, so this is gonna like match the windows and everything. I thought that this would be really cool for just like throwing our black utensils in there, and it can also be on display. I honestly swear to God, we spent $10,000 in the last 2 days. RIP. Yay, I've never had curtains in a house. We've never had curtains. We literally just throw up blankets usually.
This is terrible.
Just want to update you guys. It's like 5 a.m. right now, and I have to leave for Calgary in like 10 minutes. But finished packing up all my stuff, I think. We have the apartment till May 1st, and it's March 22nd or something, so I'm not too worried about it being messy or like leaving things here. I forgot to film an outro, but that's it for this moving vlog. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on because there will be more moving vlogs coming. Also, follow my Instagram if you guys want to see updates because I literally show you guys what my apartment looks like on my Instagram story, so go follow me on there. My apartment is all done and everything, so hopefully I'll be uploading an apartment tour soon. Comment down below what you guys think of these moving vlogs because I personally love them, and also let me know what you guys want me to film in the future. I'm trying to post 2 times a week, Monday and Friday at 3 p.m. MST. I'm talking too much. Follow my social media. Okay, bye. Sorry for talking.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, I'm sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see.